Polyvinyl alcohol, PVOH or PVA, is a versatile polymer known for its excellent film forming, water solubility, emulsifying, and adhesive properties. At Kuraray POVAL, we produce high-quality PVOH that serves a wide range of industries, from agriculture to paper and beyond. Microplastics are a growing environmental concern. They are very small plastic particles in size that can spread in rivers, seas, and soil, and do not decompose naturally. When fish and other animals ingest them, they can enter the human body through the food chain. These tiny plastic particles can be even found in the air we breathe, raising awareness about their accumulation in the human body through inhalation. But did you know that not all polymers are considered microplastics? At Kuraray, we are committed to sustainability. In line with Regulation EU number 2023/2055, which sets definitions and defines testing methods for synthetic polymer microparticles, we have tested our products. In accordance with Regulation EU number 2023/2055, Appendix 16, our Kuraray POVAL polymers, with a solubility of more than 2 grams per liter, are exempted from the synthetic polymer microparticles definition. Navigating the challenges of environmental sustainability, it is crucial for industries to prioritize materials that meet regulatory standards and contribute to a cleaner future. With our well-selected product portfolio of Kuraray POVAL, we aim to support this mission. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards a more sustainable world. To learn more about our products and initiatives, visit our website at www.kuraray-poval.com and contact our representatives.